You know the difference between a scholar and a sage, a manager and a boss, a teacher and a professor. But do you know the difference between an artwork and a masterpiece? You can't explain it. But you know that it's the same difference as between a football club and an athletic club.